Okay, today we'll be learning how to use the Q-Light Controller Plus for the gym lighting. If you come in and the computer is turned off, reach to the back left on the bottom, push the button, and the computer will turn on. This computer should always be left on. If it's not for some reason, just turn it on and then we'll walk through the steps. Okay, the Mac will take a couple of minutes to start up. When it does start up, you'll come to the lock screen and type in the password on the paper in front of you. Okay, the Mac will take 3 or 4 minutes to get started and to be ready to go. When it is started, we're going to click the QLC plus icon. It looks like a light bulb with a plus at the bottom. It will give us a small window, and we're going to choose the option on the right. It says Q-Light Controller Plus. And the program will open. Once it's open, we're going to click on the folder icon at the top left. It's also the open icon, and then we're going to select the CBC gym redo.qxw file and open that. Once that's open, we're going to go to the top right of the program window and select the play button, which says switch to operate mode. So now we're in operate mode, and we're going to click on virtual console at the bottom. Now you have 3 sections of buttons to use. In the center, you have one large button that says center stage on. This will turn on the lights on the center stage, on the top stage on the center. We'll turn those on. If someone happens to be standing in the front of the stage, also known as the thrust, if we get new thrust stages down there, there's lights down there, or if someone's just standing on the floor in front of that, you'll use those lights, you'll turn those on. And you can turn center stage light off if there's no one on the top stage. All of these buttons are toggles, so you click them once, they turn on the lights, and they're highlighted with green. Those lights stay on until you click it again, it turns them off. On the left side here, you have one button at the top that says all stage lights. You'll click that, and all of the lights that are programmed in this will turn on. Everything on the stage and everything on the thrust. We'll rarely use that because it goes too far outside. The next button here, it says all flat pars. These are the color washes that go on the palettes. So we click those and those will come on. Once those are on, you can choose a color over on this side. It says palette wall color washes. If you want green, you can click green. This button works exactly the same, so it's on until you click it off. So you don't want to click another button, you might not get the color you want. So if you want lavender, you click lavender and unclick green. If you want pink, click pink and unclick lavender. Okay, if there's no buttons clicked, the lights will be kind of amber. So the next button over here is called palette walls on. You click the palette walls and the LED lights inside the palette walls will come on. And you turn those off, click it and they'll turn off. Tub lights, we're going to turn those on. All the tub lights come on. Click it again, all the tub lights go off. Truss lights. Click those, all the truss lights turn on. Click it again, they turn off. Right now there's a problem, I think, with the DMX controller that controls those lights. It's actually giving some power to the truss lights now, but I'm going to work on working that out. Until then, for the truss lights, there's one DMX box on either side. You can just unplug that DMX box, and that will turn off those lights. Those lights are connected. Those DMX boxes have 4 different channels on them, so we have to make sure that the lights are plugged into the proper channel. So you just unplug the whole thing, and then be sure to plug it back in next time you need lights. So there will be a written directions laying on this computer, in front of this computer here, that you can access to. You can also call or text me anytime, unless we're in the middle of worship, then I won't be able to answer my phone. But before or after worship or anytime during the week, you can call or text me. So that's basically how to use Q-Lite Controller Plus. We're going to leave this program running. We're going to leave this computer on. So when you come back, everything should be running as is. If not, you'll just have to start up the computer or start up the program. Make sure that you're have this red square in the top right. That means that it's live. That means that it's in operate mode. So make sure that the red square is active. If it's not, it'll be green. That's programming. So we don't want you to do anything in programming, please. Only in operate mode. So click operate, and then everything will respond. Okay, right now everything's off. I'll click center stage. You'll see the lights that come on there. There's a little bit of lighting on the screen, but that should be fine. And we'll be adjusting the lights and moving lights again eventually. So center stage is off. Thrust is on, but you can't see it because of the wall. That's just the floor in front of the stage in the middle. Flat pars, those are on. That's the opening standard color of amber, and that's blue. Turn those off. Palette walls, they're on. Palette walls off. Tub lights, tubs are on. This turns all of them on. And then truss lights, turns those on and then off. Again, still we're having an issue with the lights being on at a low intensity.